In this video, we're going to be talking about subtraction facts and related subtraction facts. So if you have a problem like this and it says fill in the missing number, 5 minus blank equals 4, you might remember that 5 minus 1 equals 4. This is a subtraction fact. The fact is, when you subtract 1 from 5, it'll always give you 4. If you don't remember that, you could use a number line and you could put yourself at 5. So let me just change my color. So you could just put yourself here at 5 and go back until you hit the number that you're supposed to reach, which is 4. So that's just, you just went backwards by 1. So the number is getting smaller. So the correct answer for 5 blank equals 4 is 1, minus 1, because you went backwards by 1. A related fact to this is 5 minus 4. So if you look at 5 minus 4 equals 1. This is the related subtraction fact. And if you notice, the 4 and the 1 just switch places. So 5 minus 4 equals 1 is the related subtraction fact. If you don't get this right away, not to worry, just pause the video, rewind it, and play it again. Anyone can do math, and the more you watch this, the easier it'll become and the more it'll make sense.